one's looking at the phone, Dad.
Something better was coming, so that's why they didn't eat that other seed. Right?
Like, that's a last resort.
Yeah, it is.
That scared me. Maybe should we? Do you think maybe how about 3 more birds? Maybe we should switch.
Take the pine nuts over those sunflower seeds every time.
Aren't they fun?
The birds have exquisite taste.
They like making salads.
Phew! That's the one in 8 years I had.
Somebody have some vinaigrette?
That last one was picking off the sunflower seeds.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Hello.
One just landed in my hand.
Dog's going crazy.
Because that's it's something like where you be. Mom's about to land on me, and the other one scared it off. Should we switch now? Should we switch?
Why are they coming to me?
Okay, let's switch now.
Why are they liking whoever's on that side?
Well, that's because I don't know. I'm like because
I think it's because it's the furthest away from me and you. Whoop. Reagan, what's today? Groundhog's Day. No? Yes.
Get away! You're scaring them.